Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today I want to share an easy recipe. This is something that I often make for myself. It is peanut butter and chocolate oatmeal, and it is definitely one of my most favorite go-to breakfasts, and sometimes I eat it for lunch because I don't always eat breakfast. So it's something that I'll have around 11, 12 o'clock. And it is just super simple. I don't use sugar, so it's sugar-free. It's just super simple, and it's a healthy, filling breakfast that you can make while you're in a hurry if you're a homeschool mom and you only have a few minutes to make your breakfast or your lunch. So let me show you how to make it. All right, guys, so we're gonna start with a half cup of steel-cut oats or rolled oats, and then 1 cup of water. You can also use milk. I actually prefer almond milk, but for whatever reason I grabbed water this time, and I'm going to cook mine in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You can also cook this on the stove if you'd prefer. Once it's out of the microwave, I'm going to add in cocoa powder, peanut butter powder, and pure, which is a stevia type of sweetener. You can use any sweetener you want, honey, maple syrup, whatever. Mix it all up really good. And then I like to add some almond milk and kind of flood my bowl with it. It really tastes good like that. Makes it a lot more creamy. And now I'm going to add in my bananas. I just slice those up and place them on top. Once I have all of my bananas added, I'm going to add on some sliced almonds. If I had chocolate chips, I'd throw some of those on there too, but I was out today. That's it. That's my super simple chocolate peanut butter oatmeal that I like to top with bananas and sliced almonds, and sometimes I like to add some chocolate chips as well. Of course, you could put in some of your own sugar-free peanut butter if you like the creamy consistency of the peanut butter. Sometimes I like to do that also. There's just so many different ways you can dress up your oatmeal. So I used to hate oatmeal as a kid, and now I really love it. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We do homeschooling, homemaking videos, home decor tours, recipe videos, all kinds of fun stuff to help you simplify life, home, and homeschool. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.